Hello, what's up my friends? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about a Bittorrent token. As you know, a lot of people do a mistake on this date, 30 April. Today is 30 April, so a lot of holders do a mistake on this month. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new in my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. Now friends, let's start the video. First of all, we do a price prediction, and after that I'm talking about the mistake which holders do at this time, friends. As you can see here now, the current price of Bittorrent token is about 0.007087 USD dollar is the currently price of Bittorrent token, friends. And if we talk about the price change, so as you can see here, the last 1 hour, last 1 day change is negative. Only the last 1 week change is positive, friends. So that's mean that the Bittorrent token falling period starts now from the previous last 1 day, friends. Now I feel that is the last 1 day price prediction chart, friends. If we look the price change, so the price change in the last 1 day is about negative 0.8% change occur in a Bittorrent token, friends. The highest price in the previous last 1 day period is about 0.007218 USD dollar is the highest price of Bittorrent token and the last 1 day, friends. If we talk about the price charts, so as you can see here, a very bad fast occur in the Bittorrent token. So that's mean, as I show you, the previous last 1 day change is negative, friends. And now they recover their changes. You can see now at this time they take a jump, and I think now at this time currently they are also in the jumping mode, friends. So that means that the Bittorrent token jumping period starts now, friends, and we are also in the lows. Those who are Bittorrent token holders, they are also in the lows because the previous period changes as in negative, friends. That is why they are in the lows, friends. So now on 30 April, a lot of people do a mistake that this goes to sell Bittorrent token in the market, friends. So absolutely, that is a big mistake of Bittorrent token holders, friends. If you are a holder, so my suggestion for all of you is that please don't sell it at this time, hold it. It's time to hold. As you can see here now, at this time they start jumping. As you can see, the previous change is negative because they fall down, and now at this time they goes upward, friends. That is why the change become very soon positive, friends. So now the jumping period of Bittorrent token starts now. So please, my suggestion for all of you that don't sell it at this time, wait for it. When they start take a high jump, the price become high and that will give you a profit. So sell it. You are on at this time, you are in the loss, friends. When they give you a profit in this time, you can sell it, friends. What's your opinion about Bittorrent token? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.